A very good evening, children. I am back once again. Hope you all are safe at home, doing well. And this week assignment, some of you are yet to give. So please immediately try to give, children. Friday is your submission date. So every Monday you'll have your recording. Tuesday I'll give you what work to do, or recording may continue. But Friday you have to submit your work, if anything given. Now coming to the lesson, we are going to, first unit is over with one poem and first lesson. The second unit we have is The Tiger's Tale. What is the lesson's name? The Tiger's Tale. It is written by Miel Shahgal. Okay, Miel Shahgal. Let us know about the author first. So, now coming to the author, Miel Shahgal is a director and contributed to Sanctuary Asia, India's first wildlife magazine. She also worked for Kids for Tigers, an environmental education program organized in schools across India. Her current interest is to reconnect children with nature. Nature is very, very important, children. Okay. So you have zoo. Have you all visited zoo anytime? Now it is not the time to visit zoo, but still I would like to ask, how many of you have visited the zoo? In the time one, I visited zoo many times. In my childhood, when I was in 4th class also, I visited zoo. So every person in their lifetime, at least once, they have to visit the zoological park. Instead of playing always in water games and all, please visit the zoo and know what animals are there in the zoo. Right? Now, this lesson is The Tiger's Tale. Tiger is telling about its own story, and you know very well, you all know how a tiger looks. Can you know this? Who is this? This is Lord Ganesha, but his face looks like elephant. So now I will give you tomorrow one more task, children, that you need to do about animals. Now see, Lord Ganesha's face is just like elephant. Now, so tiger, you must have seen, even Lourdes Durga, she has the tigers as her backdrop, and she sits on the tiger's skin also. Okay, even Ayyappa God, he sits on the tiger and he brings tiger's milk for his mother. Right? Now, so this is the Tiger's Tale lesson. So here we have word bank, children. Word bank. The first word bank is nothing but, once again, meanings we have. Okay. So first one is vegetation. Vegetation is grass and plants are called as vegetation. What is vegetation? The grass and plants which you see in and around. You all maintain plants, children? So you all maintain, no? In your house also, if it is an apartment also, at least plant one tree. Make the environment free from pollution. Right? So now second word, territory. Territory here in this lesson, an area defended by an animal from others. So an area defended by an animal from others is territory. Okay? Defended by an animal from others. So it is only protecting itself. Space crunch. Shortage of space is space crunch. Okay? Now in hospitals also they have space crunch. Shortage of space for many patients. So they are trying to take playground, that is stadium, all these things they are converting into hospitals. So you are having space crunch. Shortage of space. Next, reserve. Reserve is here an area set aside and protected for wildlife. Reserve is in general you are protecting one place for others, then it is called as reserve. Reserve tickets you will have, no children, for in trains and all. Next is habitat. Habitat is a natural home or environment of animals or plants. So now plants home. Where does dog live? Dog lives in kennel. Okay, it is its habitat. So now next word, ecosystem. Ecosystem, you have this word in science. All the plants and animals of a particular area and their interaction with their physical surroundings is ecosystem. All the plants and animals of one particular area if you take, and their interaction with their physical surroundings, that is goats going and eating grass, tigers hunting the deer, everything happens in the surroundings only. So that is nothing but the ecosystem. Next is harmony. Harmony is a balance or peace. Peace in harmony or balance. Everyone should have balanced diet. You know, no children? So there the balance is to keep our body into control. So here harmony in this lesson is nothing but balance. Web of life, the interlinked community of plants, animals and humans. Web of life is nothing but the interlinked community of plants, animals and humans. We all live together. When you go outside you see a dog. Inside the house also you see one lizard. Right? So it is staying with human beings. Then if you go outside, you see one neem tree, tulsi plant you'll see. So that is nothing but web of life. The interlinked community of plants, animals and human beings. Right? So these are the words you have in this lesson. Let us go in detail of this lesson in the next video, children. Till then, have a nice day. Bye-bye. See you very soon within 24 hours. Okay? Till then, take care. Bye.